In this video, we are going to learn about time value of money concept. After watching this video, you will be able to understand this concept and how to apply it in your real life. Without any further ado, let's get started. This concept says certain sum of money that we have today has the more value than the same amount of money at any future date. Let's take an example to understand this better. Suppose we have two options. The first one is to receive 100 rupees today, or the second one is to receive this amount after 1 year. But if I choose the first option, I will receive this amount today and I can invest this at bank. Suppose bank gives you 10% interest, and after 1 year I will receive 110 rupees. This shows that receiving today is more valuable. But what are the factors that affect the value? These are inflation, future uncertainty, present consumption, and investment opportunities. There is two valuation technique to calculate the value of money at any future date and present date. The first one is compounding technique. In this technique, we calculate the future value of certain sum of money. Like today I have 100 rupees and I want to know the value after 1 year, 2 year or 5 year. And the second one is discounting technique. We use this technique to calculate the present value of any future sum. Just opposite of discounting technique. Now let's go deep down and understand the formula of compounding technique. The formula is future value equals to present value multiplied by 1 plus r raised to n. N is the whole power of 1 plus r. Let's break down these elements. FV is future value. PV is present value of money that we have today. And R is the rate. This rate can be interest rate of bank, inflation rate, or expected rate of return. It depends on the nature of your need. But remember, this formula works on single sum of money, not on series of equal cash flow. We will understand this in our next video. Now let's apply this formula in an example to understand it better. The example is like Mr. X wants to know the value of his 10,000 rupees after 5 years at 12% rate. Here this 12% rate can be investment rate of bank if he wants to invest in a bank. It also can be inflation rate if he wants to know the purchasing power of money. Or expected rate of return if he wants to invest this money in a business and expecting 12% return. Now let's calculate the future value. We have given present value 10,000, R is 12% and time is 5 years. Put this all in a formula and by solving we will get 17,623 rupees. It means he will receive 17,623 after 5 years if he invests in a bank. Or if 12% is inflation rate, then after 5 years he will be spending 17,623 rupees for the same article that he could purchase in just 10,000 rupees. And if he invests in a business, he is expecting his 10,000 to become 17,623 after 5 years. Now let's look at how to calculate 1.12 raised to 5 on calculator. Just type 1.12 and press multiplication sign, and then press equal sign 4 times. Yes, only 4 times. Now in the next video, we will discuss about the process of calculating series of equal amount. Link is in the description. Go and check it out. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and don't forget to like and share.